The store, found here to your left or by clicking S, is your primary toolbox where you can basically find anything you need to build your page. I do urge you to go through it by yourself because we do have a lot of options and the store grows larger all the time. You'll find things like components, applications, and add-ons in the store. I can't go through the whole store, of course, but to give you a quick idea, here you'll find stuff like an image and a video component, buttons, animated assets, a QR code scanner, input fields, and an easy to set up lead form, a quiz, a tapping game, the interactive flipbook or virtual tour. You'll also find add-ons like the draw, an account setup, a collision listener, A/B voting, and integrations to both YouTube, Vimeo, and Google, amongst others. This is not half of what you can find, but let's focus on how to utilize the store so you can find the information you need. First off, when opening the store, you'll be met with these horizontal sections here. We grouped content to give you a quick overview over stuff like interactive apps, media content, and tools typically related to an input form. If you wish to see all tools related to a specific section, you can simply click See All here on the right side of the title. Another way to see relevant tools is to filter depending on components or add-ons. To be clear here, when I say components, the applications are included in this category. You can also choose to enable both if you wish to get the full list of tools. We, of course, also allow you to search for tools if you already know what you're looking for. You can always see the details related to a tool, like title, description, and tags. And you of course have a bunch of options here. Let's reset the search and go back to the main page. When you hover over a tool, you have a couple of extra options. You can of course add components to your favorites, but you can also search for related parts that might make use of this tool. Doing that will redirect you to the parts section with a predefined search, allowing you to scroll through and see if there's any parts you can utilize in your search. Back in the store, if you're unsure about whether a specific component or add-on is suitable for your needs, you can click just below the thumbnail here to open up a detailed description of the tool itself. Here we of course give you the same exact tools that you will find any other place in the store, but we also notify you about the difficulty level of using this component. Furthermore, we give you a step-by-step guide and inspire you with potential purposes and examples. In the bottom here, it's worth mentioning that we also give you some useful links to related tools and help articles and some of our inspiring blog articles to make sure that you get all the information you need. When you've decided on a specific component, you simply hover over the tool and drag and drop it into your canvas. Before you release, you'll notice that .vu tries to indicate where your content or component will be placed. And when placing a component, this might prompt an extra pop-up. For example, for applications like this, might be a quick walkthrough, or if it's an image, it will prompt the gallery to open. An add-on, however, will show you this overlay to tell you that it's extra functionality that you're adding to the page. And it's also worth noting that if you want to cancel out dragging in a component or add-on, you can do so by going out here to the left and dropping your component or add-on back in. Upon dropping an add-on, it will immediately be activated and ready for you to configure. And to re-enter your add-ons, you don't have to drag in the same one each time. You can always find your add-ons in the right toolbar under add-ons.